Okay, first I want to start by I am not a tax professional. Please contact your accountant for more information or to do your taxes. So I have to say that disclaimer. I did minor in accounting. I do have a degree in business, but I just wanted to break this down for you. A couple of tax deductions after you um, after you have your LLC or C corp, you're able to deduct certain things from your taxes, and I kind of wanted to break that down for you. Um, First is studio time, then beat leases or production. Let's say you bought a beat online, mixing and mastering, home studio equipment, food. Let's say you're in the studio, you want to order something to eat in between, your sessions, gas to go to and from, I believe, your studio. Well, let's say you going from your house to the studio to the video. Say you shoot a music video, then back to your house. You could also include gas for that trip. Um, Content creators, let's say you pay for influencers to dance to your music. You could also include that. Also, marketing, any type of marketing that you do. Um, Either you pay for courses. This course you can also include as a tax deduction. Um, Music videos, photography, equipment, and I wanted to also play something from Master P as he talks about how you could also write off a vehicle for your taxes. All right, so let me get that queued up.
Is so important. So think about this. Now I want to show y'all that you might want that nice car, but let's buy that car if it's over 6,000 pounds, and let's put that car in a company name or LLC so we can write it off and get that car for free. So anytime you go and buy a car from now on, I'm giving y'all a game. Make sure it's over 6,000 pounds. Make sure you got a company or LLC. Put that in there and write it off, and then you got a free car. You could get whatever car you want. Say for instance, it's a Benz, it's a Cadillac, it's a Mercedes, the big one. It don't matter. You could write these cars off, so we don't. And guess what? We can lease it. We don't have to own nothing. We can't take it with us. The most important thing that I realized, man, I'm keeping my money and saving my money while I'm out here leasing these cars. I could get a new one every year. And so we got to start thinking like that. They've been programming their cultures like that for years. We don't understand that. And so I go to a dealership and look for a car that's over 6,000 pounds, and I'm writing it off.
All right, so you heard him. So you have to choose a car that's 6,000 pounds. So let's do it. Let's go over it. So BMW models that qualify for Section 179 tax deduction. All right, so these are the cars you can get. All right, you get this car right here, which is the X5, BMW X5. You get this car right here, which is the BMW X6. And you get this car right here, which is the BMW X7. Let's say you don't want to get a BMW, you get a Mercedes. All right, so these are the Mercedes Benz vehicles that qualify. All right, so it has to be over 6,000 pounds. Also, the Tesla Model X is also over 6,000 pounds, and it qualifies for a $25,000 business tax break. So this is what the Tesla looks like. So I don't know. These are a couple of options if you if you're into that sort of thing, if you want to drive a luxury car, you can put it in your business name and get that going. So I just wanted to let you know that you can deduct some of these things, your expenses, um, when you file taxes every year. And I'm going to also include this article from TurboTax just in case you have any further questions after that.